have a disclaimer for you about freelance newspaper writing. It's not a walk in the park. You have to be open to write as many articles as you can, as you will be sending them as unsolicited manuscripts, and it's at editor's discretion to either publish or not publish it. So irrespective of how good your writing is, no one can guarantee you that it will be published. On the other hand, based on the number of content the editor receives, they may find your articles worth publishing, and that will be the beginning of your journey as a freelance writer. This cannot go without saying. When you start writing for the newspaper as a freelance writer, you must in turn purchase every issue you have sent an article to see if it was published. If it was published, it means you will be paid for the work. Many a times at your early stages, you must follow up with the paper in order to get your payment. In such instances, you will be asked to present evidence of published work. Note: if you are interviewing children, it's good to seek consent from their teacher, even in school, or their parents, to avoid problems in your freelance career. Also, they'll help you spread the word to other children who might want to be part of the children's stories. At this point, you may use your college ID when introducing yourself. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.